4 वर्सां फाटीं तेहलका मॅगझिनाच्या गोंयांत थिंक फेस्टाक आयिल्ले कडेन चली पत्रकारान तेहलकाचो संस्थापक पत्रकार तरुण तेजपाला आड बलात्काराचो आरोप केल्लो। 7 नोव्हेंबर 2013 हॉटेल ग्रँड हयाताच्या लिफ्टीत केल्ल्या कथीत बलात्कारा खातीर तरुण तेजपाला आड ब्रेस्तारा आरोप निश्चिती जाली। हे केशीत तेजपाला आड म्हापशेच्या ट्रायल कोर्टान IPCच्या 376, 341 आणि 342 कलमा खाला बळजबरी करप, बळया आडावन धरप आणि बलात्काराचो आरोप निश्चित केला। त्याशिवाय 354A आणि 354B खाला आरोप निश्चित जाल्यात।
For offences for which charge was framed, as you know, is 341, 342, 354A,
yes,
354B, 376 subsection 2, FNK, which is rape committed by a person in authority and trust.
So it's a massive.
He has pleaded not guilty to all of that.
तेजपालाच्या वकिलान आरोप निश्चिती फुडें धुकलची म्हूण अर्ज केल्लो, मात म्हापशेच्या ट्रायल कोर्टान ती विनवणी भायर मारली। हायकोर्टानूय आरोप निश्चिती आड तेजपालाक थाकाय दिल्ली ना। ट्रायल कोर्टाच्या निर्णयाचेर बचाव पक्ष बेजार।
This order is under challenge. What has happened today is just explanation of the charges to the accused, and he was asked whether he is pleading guilty or not guilty. He has pleaded not guilty. All right. Now the trial of this case has been stayed by the Honorable High Court. And that is why the matter has been deferred to the 21st to know the status of the petition in the High Court. The trial is not going to start. I had contended before the Honorable Sessions Judge that the entire, even the explanation of this charge to the accused should be deferred, because we are hopeful, we are confident that we will get discharged from the High Court, because we know that there is no case in the prosecution. Though we are disappointed with the order of the trial court, we are hopeful that we will get relief from the High Court. So in view of that, explanation of the charge at this juncture, when otherwise the trial is not going to go on, would be of no substance, would be of no meaning. That is why I was urging before the court that even this should be deferred until the disposal of the petition. The Honorable Trial Court has, however, explained the charge to Tarun, to which he has pleaded not guilty.
आरोप निश्चिती जाली तरी तेजपालाच्या अर्जाचो निकाल लागमेरेन हायकोर्टान ट्रायल कोर्टाक केशीची सुनावणी करची न्ही म्हूण सांगल्या। हायकोर्ट हे प्रकरण निकालाक काडटा जाल्यार 21 नोव्हेंबरा सावन ट्रायल कोर्ट बलात्कार प्रकरणाची केस सुनावणेक घेवंक शकता। तेजपाल म्हणटा, लिफ्टींतल्या व्हिडिओत वा उपरांत लिफ्टी भायर ते कथीत पीडित चलयेचो आपले कडेन वेव्हार पळयल्यार आपणे बलात्काराचो यत्न केलो हें सिद्ध जायना। इतले ती चली खेळीमेळीत उलयता म्हूण तेजपालाचो आर्ग्युमेंट। वेल्या 5 आरोपांतलो एकूय आपल्याक लागना आनी ताचे पुरावे ना म्हूण तेजपालाचो दावो। हे आरोप आता पुलिसांक पुराव्या सयत सिद्ध करचे पडटले। तेजपाल सध्या जामिनाचेर भायर आसा। प्रुडंटा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी श्याम सुंदर फट्टे।